Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable universal switch in Galaxy A06 device. So first of all guys, you have to go to settings and then scroll so that we have an option of accessibility. So in this section, we have another option, interaction and dexterity. Just tap here and then on the very first, we have an option of universal switch. Just tap on a universal switch guys. Now all you guys have to do is just click next, next, again next, and you can select anything to which you want to switch: USB switch, Bluetooth switch, and no accessories. So I'm selecting next. Now item by item with slow scanning and quick group scanning, you can select anything. Okay, as you see, pattern lock can't be used with universal switch, so you have to change the lock style first. Don't use the lock pattern, so you have to use any other lock style like pin or any password. As you see, I use pattern, so that's why universal switch doesn't enable in my device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.